go do that first if you can only handle one at a time. And that's somewhat the situation that we were in here for Geode, because we didn't have big teams. We didn't have money. We didn't have a big group. So we had to go one at a time, starting with the most likely approach to succeed, the second most likely approach if the first one fails, the third most likely approach if the second one fails. You want to have multiple approaches. If you can afford to it, like at DARPA, we would have at least 2 teams trying different approaches in parallel to conquer the same problem. Why? Because we had the money to do it. Why not? So if you could try 10 approaches in parallel, do it. And the likelihood that one of them works is much higher. So you want to have parallel paths, but not just that. You want to very quickly verify if this is the path that's going to work. So you need to have a testing mechanism and process in place. So, okay, this is the hard task we're going to focus on now. Here are 1, 2, 3 different ways I think we can solve that. Okay, this is the most likely thing that will work. How can I test to see if this is going to work? And I want to test it quickly, and I want to verify it quickly. Is it going to work or is it not, so that I can move on to my second option and go test that one. So you're iterating quickly on the different ways that it might work. So number 1 was do the hard thing first. If it's not the hard thing, it's the long lead item. Number 2 is I want multiple approaches. You're trying multiple approaches at the same time if you can. If not, you're prioritizing it based on probability of success, and you have a continual pipeline of new approaches to try for every single task and subtask in that program, in whatever you're trying to do. Even faster, because you just have to decide that it's going to be, and you have to get off your butt and take action. And you have to be persistent in taking action. You have to grind. You're going to have to grind, I'm sorry. But that's the truth. So as you take these different approaches, you may be Thomas Edison. You may find 999 ways that the light bulb does not work. And as you grind through all those approaches, and it's approach number 1000 that is the successful one, was it worth it? I don't know. I'm looking at all the lights around here, and I say it is. You grind. And an approach doesn't work, you pick the next one out of the lineup, and you grind. And you ask for help, and you learn from others, and you grind. David Goggins would be proud.